ammunition. Praise the Lord and pass the ammunition. Praise the Lord and pass the ammunition, and we'll all stay free.
Hi friends, this is FirearmPop here to tell you about another exciting weekend that's coming up, and that's April, where were we? April 29th and 30th at the Stormville Flea Market. The Stormville Flea Market. It's a great big flea market. If you've never been to it, you gotta come and see it. Anyway, it's the Stormville Flea Market this weekend, April 29th and 30th. It's in Stormville, New York. Easy access off of Route 84. Any place in the New England area, come on up. Don't forget to stop by and see me. I'll have Remora holsters and easy-to-see targets. Plenty of them. So, and I'll be showing you pictures here of what to look for. So, two big canopies. Plenty of things to choose from. Come on down. Make sure you come and tell me you saw me on YouTube or Facebook. Love to take pictures with my YouTube and Facebook friends. So come on down, stop by, say hello. This is FirearmPop. You be safe out there. Support our military, support law enforcement, and God bless you. Bye now.